Good morning, girls. Today, our topic is association role mining, and I think this is our last topic of data mining. So, association role mining is we are mining some important things from the database based upon the association between the items, based upon the relationship between the items. For example, very similar and common example is suppose a person is purchasing a bread. Okay, then chances of purchasing the butter or a jam is 99%. Clear? Or tomato sauce also you can purchase it further. So after this bread, so the chances of bread, chances of jam, chances of butter, chances of tomato sauce with the bread is very large. So this concept is called association rule data mining. So the definition is it is the study of scientific techniques to dig out interesting and frequent patterns from the we are digging out to pick out, digging means picking out interesting patterns from the transactional, spatial, temporal databases, any type of databases from you can perform the association rule mining. And to set what we want to do, we set association relations, correlations, okay, among the patterns. Why you discover such type of patterns? In order to discover the knowledge, or we want to frame the information that the association between these two items is very high. So in the case of mining also, when we pick one item, when we come to the decision of one thing, we immediately comes to know that after this will happen. So we want to create the association, we want to find out the association. It can be helpful in various fields like network management, clustering, marketing. So this is very helpful. So association rule mining can also establish the relationship between the different variables to analyze the situation. Now, how you can perform this association rule mining? There are two steps: market basket analysis algorithm we have, and second we have a priori algorithm. What is market basket algorithm? In the market basket algorithm, what is the concept? The concept which I am explaining to you is the market basket algorithm. Like when you are going to some shop for purchasing, you are purchasing like keyboard, so the chances of purchasing of mouse, suppose, and a mouse pad, and maybe printer, scanner is very high because you are at that shop. So we want to learn the market purchasing habits of the customer in this example, suppose. So this is called market basket. When you are going to market and take a basket, what will be the chances that what things you buy? Okay, it help the managers design different store layouts. Okay, so if the customer tend to purchase computer, printer together, then having a sale on printer may encourage the sale of the computer. So this is the concept. Like in the winter you are going to purchase a cap, means you definitely will purchase, like the association is very high कि if you are purchasing a cap, you will definitely will purchase muffler, gloves, socks, shawl. The purchasing of these items is very high as these are very correlated to each other. Okay, so in the case of association rule mining, what you will do, you will find all the frequent item sets. First you will find and then generate the correlation between these items. Okay, based upon the type of values, based upon the dimensions. Like we have examples here like this: based upon the type of values handled in the rule. Age, you check the age of a person, like customer, if it is 30 to 39, and if it is income is no, the income of that person is 42,000 to 48,000, then definitely we can come to the decision that he will buy cell phone. Age, income, and if in the market shop of that electronic items, then the chances of purchasing the cell phone is very high. Now next, based upon the dimension of the data involved in the rule, here if your Rule references two or more dimensions, such as dimension bias, time of transaction, customer category, then it is a multi-dimensional association rule. Dimensions if are many, like अगर वो buy कर रहा है computer, okay, means age is this, income is this, and he is buying computer, then the chances of cell phone is also very high. Next, based upon the level of abstraction, some method for association rule mining can find rules at different level of abstraction. For example, suppose that asset of association rule mining include these rules. A person whose age is 30 to 39 buy laptop computer. A person whose age of this is this, he will definitely buy simple computer. Also, the item brought a reference at different level, that is computer is at high level of abstraction. Okay, means chances of computer is much more if he is interested in laptop. So we refer to this mining as level of the abstraction, like with the pen pencil. Okay, you are definitely going to purchase some geometry box. So high level of abstraction we can conclude with the market basket algorithm. And the last is based on the various extension to association mining. It can be extended to correlation analysis, where the absence or the presence of item can be identified. It can be extended to mining the maximum pattern, maximal frequent patterns, and very closed items can be predicted from the this association mining. Thank you.